So I'm going to be doing a daytime walkthrough of the village. This is our 2024 village, and as you can kind of see here, we kind of placed our village in between two of our Christmas trees. This is like the main tree over here, and then this is like its little sister tree with a little mini village. So, we kind of broke it up again with two different sections, having like the little town section here. One of our newest additions was this canal. I really enjoy some of these pieces that have these, little moving parts to them. And I think it really adds to like the canal type of setup. And again, a lot of storytelling here too. So, I think we kind of like have like this brewery. We've also have like this, horse and buggy kind of like taking the beers into town. I like this little canal boat with the horse pulling the canal boat down the canal. One of the things I did is I used some construction paper to kind of black that out because on the other side of this, we do start like a railroad. I love the little light feature here of the Christmas tree. Another little new addition here too. It was these like little boats. Those are fun. And you can kind of even see here that this brewery does have like a little water feature, and I did set it up differently initially, but just given like the space I had to work with and kind of like how I had to maneuver some of the buildings, I kind of like used this boat to kind of like serve as like a little transition piece between like some tissue paper and the rest of like the canal part. But I think like some future techniques I'm interested in learning how to do for future villages would be using some of that resin. So there's like a lot of inspiration online I definitely want to try my hand at. I think too, as far as this side goes, I think I mentioned it in a different video, but like also kind of like putting some like stone walls along here. Yeah, just like a lot, definitely dive in a lot more into like some of those details for sure. But that's the town side. I think another thing with the storytelling as well that we might also look into for next year is also like getting a pub. So, again, just kind of like, again, having, that brewery, the horse and buggy, but, probably also just having, a pub, a place for the folks to drink. So then we kind of get into our section 2. I think this is like kind of broken up in 3 sections. So then, you have like your little train station section. Again, kind of going into that tunnel, but this one I didn't black out. I just put a backlight in there just to kind of make it look like it was like the front lights of the train kind of like lighting up the dark tunnel. You can kind of see here too that I did like elevate the train station because at first this was a little lower and obviously the Polar Express was kind of blocking it. So I did elevate it and then just like kind of made this little elevated platform that I covered with the cobblestone. And again, that just makes it more visible from the viewing angle. As you work your way up, you have the Christmas tree farm, with some backlighting over there behind that water tower so you could kind of see it better at night. Little mountain people on the mountain. They're kind of like fixated there with some hot glue gun or hot glue. Yep, and then you see some more, little detailed accessories to kind of really give it that Christmas story feel. This was a nice little fun find that my mom brought for us, but it was the little Dickens Village sign. So I made another little platform for that so you could kind of see it from the viewing angle. And then the third section we have here is the mountain. We have some other videos that kind of showed how this all came about. But in addition to even this river here. So, again, a couple of these little river boats. And then you can also see in another video that I made kind of like the process of making this little mini village. I think one of the fun things that I tried out this year, especially as it relates to this, is this kind of like wraparound driveway. So I'll make sure I put that in the description there so you can find that link and kind of see kind of like how I put all this together. But other than that, there you have it.